My name is Anne. I'm from Hwa Chong Institution and I'm from the batch of 2020. I really enjoyed how Mr Toh was really caring to us, and he gave us a lot of feedback, and he helped connect with students individually, markers from the marking team, and then they can give comments to us, and the comments are actually good. You can tell that they put in effort to write comments and help you improve on your essay or case studies. So I feel like Mr Toh is really responsible because he puts in a lot of effort into his classes, and he follows up. If we have any questions or anything, we can ask him about it and he will reply us even at odd hours of the night. I remember there was one time close to the exam period that I asked him a question around 11 p.m. I was like, should I just text him? So I just texted him, and then he replied at past midnight. So I was really shocked that he would reply because I didn't expect him to. So I find that he really cares for us because he puts in this effort. I found online learning really helpful because Mr Toh gave us many different time slots to choose from. I remember at one point in time, there were 4 different sessions that you could choose from. Even though everyone was we were all at home during circuit breaker, we could very easily attend any 2-hour session that he chose for us, but he chose to give us 4 so that we could choose from it. I found that really helpful because he could easily just do 1 or 2 live streams with everyone in the class, and it would be so much easier for him and he wouldn't have to put in the extra time. But then he chose to do many so that we can all choose which session would fit our schedules better. You would imagine that online lessons you have lower engagement, but he answered our questions, and after every part of for example a case study question, after every part of the question he would ask, is there any questions? He would ask it a few times. Even if no one answered, he would keep pushing, asking us do we have any questions? Because some people who are a bit shy might not want to ask in front of everyone, but then with his encouragement they were more willing to ask questions and clarify their doubts. I found the online resources really helpful because, particularly for this year, since we had to shift everything online, it was really helpful that there was an LMS system because the base was very easy for us to find resources according to lesson codes. It was very clear. I didn't attend the master classes, but I attended the Essence workshop, and I found the Essence workshop really helpful because the essays covered a wide range of topics, and another thing was that we could do it really fast, so I had time to focus on my other subjects because time is a problem because we are studying for so many subjects. But he managed to cover 20 essay questions within a day, and they're really helpful because it really helped with the A-levels because I think some questions were quite similar. I think they definitely helped me because whatever he predicted was quite similar to what came out in the A-levels. I remember that he predicted almost all of the essay questions except for 1, but having predicted 5, you can easily do the essay questions since you only need to do 3. And for the case study, he came out of the chicken competitions, the chicken cartel. For the chicken cartel, we did an essay similar to that, and he made us read up extensively on the topic. So when I was reading the case study, I felt as if I read the article before, which was really helpful because I could read the case study a lot faster than normal and quickly go to the questions. Yeah, I would recommend classes at ETG to my juniors because I felt that they really helped me improve my econs. Throughout my econs journey, I have been consistently improving at every exam, and I think it's definitely thanks to the econs tuition. I feel that I wouldn't be able to get the grades I get now without the econs tuition because before I joined tuition, my econs was actually quite bad. It was almost failing. Now, it will help me a lot for A-levels.